Okay, so I just got this OXENDURE webcam stand. I'm going to try to use it with my phone so I can record on my iPad. So we have this guy, which I will use to put my, similar to this, so I'll thread this into there, and I can put my phone here. This is the base. It's fairly heavy. It's not too heavy. And then we have the arm assembly here. Okay, so this is my old setup here. So I have the power cord to my phone here, and then I have everything connected to this tripod, and my phone just sits on top like that. And I made this cardboard extender so it could extend over the iPad. And here I have my mic. Hopefully this arm can sit here, have my phone here, and point down over my iPad. So I'm just taking this, screwing this in, loosen this up, feels pretty good. It might work exactly like I need. Okay, so let me undo this. I have it secured on here with tape. This is my fiance's old iPhone 6. That's what I record all of my tutorials with. Still can tip, obviously, but it's not too bad. Okay, so, oh, that's perfect. So that goes like that. Oh, that's perfect. I can actually have the mic on the base. Good, this is perfect. I can see my screen. I have to give it a thumbs up. So far, so good. The base works well, the arm works well. It takes up way less space than this. I'm very happy to get rid of this. I'm very happy to have this to record all of my tutorials. So I might record some more pops with my phone just so you can see it once I have it all set up. But definitely a must if you're going to do tutorials. It was only like 20, like maybe $30 too. So thumbs up.